Random facts about sleep you might not have known before. As humans, we have needed sleep for as long as we have roamed the earth. Sleep is a natural function of our bodies, much like eating and breathing. Humans might not be the only animals that sleep, but they are the only ones that deliberately delay sleep. There's still so much that is unknown about sleeping, but what we do know is just as mesmerizing as what we don't. Today's video is all about interesting random facts about sleep that might be new to you. Hey everybody, welcome to the ThinkLab. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos. Let's get started. The name, the legacy, the god. In Greek mythology, personification of sleep is the god Hypnos. He is Death's brother and is believed to live in a place where no light or sound is allowed to enter. Hypnos is calm and gentle, and unlike many other Greek gods, he likes to help humans. Because he's the god of sleep, he owns half of our lives. This part isn't that far from the truth, as we spend 1/3 of our lives sleeping. How deep is your sleep? There are 3 different stages to sleep, and stage 1, which is the lightest stage of sleep. And 2, the deeper stage. And 3, the deepest stage where the body repairs itself, builds bone and muscle, and strengthens the immune system. REM, which is associated with dreaming and rapid eye movements. With each stage, we progress into deeper sleep. A typical night's sleep consists of 4 to 5 sleep cycles of N1, N2, N3, N2, and REM. Each complete sleep cycle takes about 90 to 110 minutes. Passing from one sleep stage to another might not come as naturally if you're having difficulty sleeping. One of the many factors contributing to peaceful sleep has to do with, believe it or not, the color of your bedroom. There are a few colors you should steer clear if you're looking forward to a sound, good night's sleep. Red is the worst bedroom color as it provokes anger and aggression. A close second is orange as it makes you energized and awake. Dark purple is not a good choice either, as it stimulates creativity, can give you nightmares, and makes you feel tired in the morning. Dark brown makes you feel depressed and anxious. And black stimulates an array of negative feelings such as anger, sadness, fear, and death. Not exactly relaxing, right? What color should I paint my bedroom then? You might ask. Well, blue is your first color of choice. It reminds you of the sea and the sky, and promotes a feeling of serenity, peacefulness, trust, and stability. Blue makes you feel safe, relaxed, and calm. Based on one study, people experience the best night's sleep in blue bedrooms. Other colors that are perfect for your bedroom are green, symbolizing nature and tranquility. Light pink, representing sweetness, tenderness, and peacefulness. White, as it brings you peace, hope, and comfort. And beige, representing serenity, quietness, and simplicity. How many hours do humans sleep? Sleep is essential at any age. It restores the body and powers the mind. The younger we are, the more we sleep, and the amount of sleep we get decreases as we age. While the ideal amount of sleep varies for each individual, as a general rule of thumb, a baby needs 14 to 17 hours of sleep, while teenagers can get by on 7 to 11 hours of sleep per day. An adult human usually sleeps between 6 and 8 hours. Factors such as health, going to bed on a full stomach, alcohol and caffeine consumption, and irregular sleep schedules can affect these numbers. The blessing of exercise. According to the Sleep Foundation website, exercise releases endorphin, which reduces stress, improves your mood, and helps you sleep better at night. Exercise also decreases the time it takes one to fall asleep and alleviates daytime sleepiness. While there is no proof that exercising right before bedtime contributes to poor quality sleep, experts recommend you to get your workout in between 4 and 8 p.m. Though you can always wake up in the night and sneeze, you cannot sneeze during. When you're in sleep stages of sleep, your reflex muscle contraction is paralyzed, making it impossible for you to sneeze. Disorders that won't let you sleep tight. Everything from hormone release to tissue repairs happen during sleep. If something interrupts our sleep patterns, we will wake up feeling exhausted, tired, and unable to focus. It turns into a sleep disorder when it happens on a regular basis. Sometimes a sleep disorder is as harmless as snoring and can be treated easily. Other times, it needs medical attention and possibly extensive therapy sessions to get to the root of what is causing you sleepless nights. Sleepwalking. This disorder is more common in children and involves getting up and walking around in your sleep. If you have read the book Heidi or watched the film adaptation, you probably know how disturbing sleepwalking can be. It doesn't always involve getting up and walking around the house, scaring people to death though. Sometimes you might create amazing works of art while fast asleep. One such person is the sleepwalking artist Lee Hadwin. For 40 years, he has been drawing and sketching breathtaking landscapes, portraits, and figures in sleep. Interestingly enough, Lee cannot draw a single line when he is up and awake, and he doesn't remember creating any of his work after he wakes up. Exploding Head Syndrome (EHS). Exploding head syndrome is a sleep disorder in which you hear an explosive sound in your head either just before falling asleep or when you wake up at night. Possible causes of EHS include anxiety, high levels of stress, sleeplessness, or other sleep disorders. There is little research on false awakening, but many people experience multiple episodes of them. During a false awakening, the person is still sleeping but believes they are awake. While a normal dream is often unrealistic, false awakenings are usually quite realistic. You may believe you are in your own bedroom or some other familiar place. The setting could be identical to that of a real life, or there might be small differences. It is often only later that the person realizes they were dreaming. Though not harmful when repeated multiple times, false awakenings can lead to fear and anxiety. They could also lead to false memories where the person thinks they have done something, only to find out later that it was all a dream. If false awakenings happen in a row, hence the name of multiple false awakening, the sleeper might feel like they're unable to wake up. It's like a dream within a dream within a dream. Kinda reminds you of the movie Inception, doesn't it? Fatal insomnia. Fatal familial insomnia, FFI, happens due to a genetic mutation in the brain. This illness kills its victims by robbing them of their ability to sleep. People with FFI die of extreme exhaustion after a few months. There is no cure for fatal familial insomnia. Even the strongest sleeping pills are useless. The good news is, FFI is an extremely rare disorder. So far, only 40 families with this gene have been known worldwide. So perhaps the next time you hit the sheets, you should just let the bed bugs bite and thank your lucky stars you're still able to fall asleep. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and let us know down in the comments if there's any subject you want us to cover in the future.